Kawadhi nyime ni jopuonjre apar kod aboro wuok e pachoka kadhi piem mar lony manyasani rang'iny mogik e piem motisi ni Huawei ICT Competition Global Final. Jopuonjre go osidhe safar kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula kod nyawadgi jaod bura John Kiari. Kane loso kinde sidho jopuonjre go mochomo boma ma Huawei China, Wetangula opuoyo jopuonjre go kuom tich makare ka ojiwogi ni gidhi yudo tiegruok mochwiny e wi lony manyasani China. Piem ma kamano noywayo jopuonjre moyo 120 kowuok e mbalariany kod kuonde tiegruok mamalo e pinje 74. Timbe auchiel ema ochopo e rang'iny mogik mar piem ma kamano.
Using Kenya Airways, they are going to congratulate.
We are here today to show our support for the 18 students from Kenya who are going to China to participate in the global finals of ICT competition. They are the best out of 6,000 students who took part in the Kenya national competition, and they have done exceptionally well in the regional competition.
We are wanting, as you're coming back, to have you integrated in this whole vision that this country has, that you know the president is spearheading the digital superhighway as one of the key areas of development for this country. If you understand it well, you know that the superhighway is an intention of this government to digitize government services.
Where you are going at the Huawei headquarters in Shenzhen, I was there in 2010, and we were amazed at the level of innovation at the time. I'm sure 14 years later, it is even better. And as you go out there, now start cutting a niche for yourselves, knowing that today smart business, smart education, smart work